You want to add chapters to your videos, and I want to show you how to add chapters to your videos. So let's get into it. So first, head on to Creator Studios, then tap on Content. Now select the video that you would like to add your timestamps, and open the description box. Before you can even create your timestamp, there must be at least 3 timestamps and titles in your list. The first timestamp must be marked as 0, and each chapter needs to be at least 10 seconds long. I always like to put an hourglass, and then I'll label it timestamp. So first, type in 0, and label it intro. Then, type in 0:30, and label it how you would like. To save your work, click Save. And to view your work, click this blue link, and it'll take you to your video. Now, if I run my hand over the timeline, you'll see what we've added. And if you want an even more detailed look at this, click on Intro, and then it'll show you your chapter by chapter. And that's how to add chapters to your videos. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.